What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with Bro, and we're working on pulling off the plastic harness.
We're just gonna clean up the wires a little bit and then hide them, just stock hire.
Yeah.
Gonna rewrap them, put them up there, make the foot panel or foot plate a little bit cleaner.
Nice. Because this thing was hanging down low, and it might have even had a weird smell, but it didn't. I thought it might from the rat piss or whatever.
Thanks for saying it now, dude. After
Well, I've been cleaning the shit out of it. In the last video you seen, I had degreaser all up in there and bleach.
You said smell your fingers, and I'm like, wait, what?
Hey, I got this close though, so you know I was way closer than you were.
My hands are all over.
So we're gonna pull that out.
Tuck it up here.
Yeah, some shit lighting, guys. Sorry. So yeah, it wraps down like that, but that's due to the heater core and all the other crap is up there. So we're gonna try to wrap it up. And with Fro's Civic, we utilize some of that. What is it called? Flex wrap or something?
Wire loom.
Wire loom.
But it'll look better.
Oh shit. Better than the plastic white piece of shit, right?
Yeah, so we're just gonna, cover it, wrap it.
That's what's up. Alright, and I am going to continue to work on the dash. So I just want to flip over the dash and see what all else is in here that I might be able to delete. And it looks like I can delete some of this vent right here. So Fro's went ahead and started pulling apart some of this. He started zip tying some. We found a couple of issues with some wires that he's gonna go ahead and just take care of for us. We're gonna re-loom up top the way it was naturally laying down. We're just gonna flip it up and tuck it up in here. That way we can hide it behind the dash and it's off the floor. Try a Popeye sandwich. Soldering iron. What the hell else did you get? Butt connectors and some other something.
Butt connectors?
Oh, what is this? That's solder? It says on it. Do this shit right. Fuck butt connectors. Let's do this. Sandwiches. Fro's soldering up some wiring right now. Trying to clean up some of this crap. Even Pep Boys would get some parts and some wire and solder and shit. And the soldering gun. So. Went ahead and pulled out all the vents. These vents will be blocked by the vent themselves with the adjustment on them, so I'm not going to take those out. I kind of want to keep those in. And then this centerpiece, I don't know if I want to try to hack at it or just leave it in there for support, because I don't think it's much weight within this plastic stuff. But yeah. I'm going to take these little vents out and not go over them and then have these like little highlights kind of like pop on it, hopefully. Alright, so we went ahead and took out all the little kidney vents. The dash cluster bezel is obviously already out. There's this piece here that I have in the interior that I'm going to do as well as the glove compartment. Okay, like I said, this kidney vent was taken out. This one as well. Cloth, obviously, and the center console, which for some reason Honda did beige, obviously to match the interior. We're gonna do black as well, and we're gonna keep it so that matches up to this. So that whole center console is going to be flocked. as well, which is like as much as another dash almost. So we'll see how far we can get with the material we have. We might have to order another kit though. But, yeah, I plan on taping this up here. It's where this will stay beige inside, but we'll flock all the rough area. So that should kind of have a little accent pop. Maybe not. Who knows? Maybe we'll paint it black. Maybe that's what I'll do. Just paint this into, I don't know what the hell. Something to think about. I'm just going to use an all-purpose degreaser. It's Purple Power. We got a big ass gallon of it. I just cut it down, added some water to it. But I'm gonna wipe this down because obviously I've used like McGuire's new protectant, whatever shit. So it's got like a grease almost on it, or I don't want to say grease because I don't use like the greasy stuff, but it's got some stuff on it we want to take off. So that adhesive that we lay on it can hopefully stick as best as possible. So I might actually go over this with some rubbing alcohol as well at the end, which I wouldn't recommend ever rubbing on your dash. Fro's got the loom all wrapped up, zip tied up. Basically kind of got it to a point where we know where we're going to lay it, and
yeah, this will all now just kind of tuck up so the floor will be free.
Nice, man.
Better than that big chunky plastic shit that was here.
Yeah. Because it's going to be exposed. Because I don't think I'm going to put carpet in. I'm going a different route, guys. I'm thinking full race car. We'll see. That's crazy. I never thought your dash was that dirty. But that would prevent it.
And the room is starting, and then get out, and then I don't know. But if we can do it,
Done.
yeah, we'll get them all done in one game. Is it a little too long?
Just tight fit.
Alright.
It fits like fucking like perfect in there.
Boom. Look at all
See,
these
this is done.
Look at all these projects we did. As long as it's my one.
Then we'll mount the ECU up against the firewall. And that's all tucked away. Looking way cleaner than it did before. Fro went ahead and cleaned up some of the wiring on the dash over there. And there is a wire that was here, StarGuard. It was that old plug-in shit from the dealer. Fro went ahead and got rid of it and wrapped it back up. So now the dash is all cleaned up and ready to go. Look, Japan. This actual car, this car was actually, and it's a CB7 number.
My old CB7 was Canada.
Yeah, it's crazy to think that, you know.
Yeah.
And I thought this one was built in the U.S., which is why I was trying to keep it all USDM. But this car was actually built in Japan. But everything that I put into this car has been like American spec. Like Skunk 2 cams and Skunk 2 hardware and AEM shit. Like,
That's not true.
yeah?
Yeah, trust exhaust.
Truss exhaust.
Which is
Ray Graham. I got Ray's wheels. No, Racing Heart wheels. Those are Japan.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've got some cool shit, but the motor is American spec. The ECU is American spec. I wanted to smog it as an American spec motor, but we're not doing that no more. So we'll be back on the next video, guys. I'm sure to talk more about it, but we still got to get into here. We did find with the Rat 8. Here's my VTEC wiring. Good thing is we found it on the back end, and we know exactly where it goes. This solder broke right here,
We'll just reconnect all the way to here.
and that's exactly what
We'll just do new wire, 3 new wires all the way.
And still, we got to get rid of a bunch of shit, so we'll get the dash done in the next video.
It's really just ABS, the extra shit. All the smog shit.
And all this shit right here gets to go too. All these wires, all that crap is going. All that crap. I'm going non-ABS, and that means all this crap gets to go. All that hardware.
And we have an extra distributor here for you. And
yeah, I know, because that one's ugly looking. And you even got like the fucking
MSD kit?
The rotor. Yeah, MSD rotor.
I think we kept the rotor in.
You got all the parts right here, bro.
Yeah.
I still got a throttle body to put on, the fuel pressure regulator, I mean the gauge, the AM fuel rail, water pump, inline fuel filter, which I don't know if I haven't ever replaced that. Timing belt, fucking valve cover gasket. So it's like the whole rebuild kit for the car, and the cams. And I want to port the manifold. You know what I mean? So the motor's going to have some cool shit done to it, and we're going to delete a bunch of shit off the engine bay as well, guys. So, yeah, it'll come together. Dash is clean, ready to go. I'm just going to scuff it up with some sandpaper, and then because it's all of this that we're doing at the same time, as well as this piece, we're going to hold off to the next day to do this. So, might not even.